Hello, Pierce College students. So the question is, how can I take a quiz on Canvas? As you see, I'm on dashboard and I can see the list of my classes. So I select the class, LAPC ESL Tutors. In this case, I select that course. And here in this list, I have to find quizzes. I tab on it. And here I can see the list of quizzes that I have for this course. So in this case, I select quiz on introductory paragraphs. I click on it. And then here I can see a description and due date, points that has, and number of questions, and allowed attempts. So for each quiz, they are different numbers of questions or points that they have. And a lot of quizzes have a due date. So if I tab on Start, here I can see questions for this quiz. So here it wants me to read something and then answer the question. So after I answer the questions, then I can at the end submit it. So it asks me, are you sure you want to submit this quiz? If I'm sure, then I tab on OK, and then it is submitted. Here I can see the results. If you just tab on View Results, then I should see the results. At the top, I can see number of attempts or my attempts. And here you can see the results. So you see how you have done the quiz, and go back to the quiz, to the course, and dashboard. So this is how we take a quiz on Canvas. Thank you.